So this is our application, flood server detection through image fusion and rescue coordination app. So what's happened here? So as we can see at the starting, here is a we downloaded and installed some libraries as these are the epochs. So this is a training model purpose. We are training a machine learning model here. These are the epochs, how the accuracy of our model. Here this is an heat map. So what it does, so we can see how much cows, goat and persons have detected in this using the image. So we basically using an YOLO model. So this is an F1 square confidence curve. So we can see the persons and categories and those which are the we have said and predicted. So this is for overall prediction like train box loss, matrix, etc. This is a matrix precision B. As we can see, follow how our model is working. So you can see the person, dogs, persons, the peoples are detected in the flood using image fusion. This is a YOLO model, a deep learning model. So we integrated an AI model specially. So we can see the rescue team and this last, the person and the cows which are stuck in the heavy flood. In next, we have built an application with coordination with operation team and the rescue team. As this is the dashboard, we can search by the state name. These are the battery percentage of the drone, and in alert center we can see how many cities are in alert sensor center, like high, medium, Sir, these are. In mission plan, we can see the drone's actual image, what it detected. In so we can assign a rescue team as in supply and relief. So we can detect or we have measure like what foods and those we have given or not still yet. This is a rescue team chat. So the operation team can give a message or recording and they can chat with each others. As there is one option also to helicopter, to swimmers, divers, they can also chat with each others. As we can have a record of medicals and foods department, that how many food packets are delivered to the victims and which victims we have rescued yet or not. So these all are the our plan.